Hello friends, I Dr. Sonendra Kumar Gupta, Professor Head Department of Basic Sciences in Oriental College of Technology. Now, we discuss about the engineering method is one syllabus and today topic is Euler theorem. It is one of the extension topic of the partial differentiation. Now we discuss about the homogeneous function. A function f of xy is said to be homogeneous if its power of each term are equal. This is a general definition. For example, f of xy equal to a0x to the power n, a1x to the power n minus 1 y plus a2x to the power n minus 2 y square plus a3x to the power n minus 3 y cube and an y to the power n. And now we can test the homogeneity of the function with the help of the t-test. What is the t-test? That it is a t-test is, suppose the function z equal to f of xy, then we can replace the function x by the tx and the y with the help of ty like this. If the t to the power n is common from the function, that means n is called the degree and the function is called the homogeneous, while that all the t's are common. Okay, Euler theorem for first order. Suppose u equal to f of xy be any two variable homogeneous function in x or y with degree n, then by the Euler theorem x del u by del x plus y del u by del y equal to of n u, where n is called the degree of the variable. This theorem is also written in the terms of x del u by del x plus y del u by del y equal to n f of u upon of f dash of u, where f of u is the terms in terms of u, where f of u we can write in the terms of the v of x y. Now another is the second order Euler theorem. We have, suppose u equal to f of xy with the two variable homogeneous function in terms of x and y with degree n, then we have the two theorems for this. One, x square del 2u by del x square plus 2xy del 2u by del x del y plus y square del 2u by del y square equal to n minus 1 of u. This formula is used when the terms n is given. Similarly, second formula is x square del 2u by del x square 2xy del 2u by del x del y y square del 2u by del y square equal to g of u, g dash of u minus 1. That means this formula we can use when we have required the function in terms of the u. Okay, right, where g of u equal to n of u or n f of u upon of f dash of u. Okay, now the question number 1 is, if u equal to sin inverse x square plus y square upon of x plus y, then prove that x del u by del x plus y del u by del y equal to of tan u. Now how to solve this question? The first step is, given u equal to sin inverse x square plus y square upon of x plus y, then we can sin inverse is transferred to in terms of u, then we can sin u equal to x square plus y square. Now taking x square plus y square equal to of z, that means z equal to sin u. Therefore we can apply the t-test. Z of x t y t, that means x equal to tx, y equal to ty, then we can put now either here t square plus t square like of this much and cancel it with the help of the t. Now this term is repeated, that means t of z x y, that means the power of t is 1. It means that z is homogeneous of degree 1. Therefore z is homogeneous function in x and y with the degree 1. Then by the Euler theorem we get x del z upon del x plus y del z upon del y equal to z. Now what is the value of the z is sin u. Now putting the value of the z here, that means x del upon del x sin u plus y del upon del y of sin u into this is only the sin u, right? Now sin u, now we can differentiate the sin u with respect to x and with respect to y, that means get cos u and del upon del x del u upon del x and cos u del u upon of del y like this. Okay, we can divide it the term cos u, then we can get tan u. Now this is your required solution. Now discuss this one more question here. The question is, if u equal to tan inverse x cube plus y cube upon of x minus y, then prove that x square del 2u by del x square plus y plus 2xy del 2u by del x del y plus y square del 2u by del y square equal to 2 cos 3u into sin u. That means we can solve the question in the first order as well as the second order. Now here u equal to tan inverse x cube plus y cube upon of x minus y. Again we transfer the value of tan inverse here, then we can get tan u equal to of x cube plus y cube upon of x minus y. Now taking again tan u equal to of z, that means now this is the tan u. Okay, therefore apply the t test z of x t y t, that means t x cube plus t y cube upon of t x minus t y. It means that t cube is common, in the denominator t is common, that means t square is remaining term, which is the x cube plus y cube upon of x minus y. Again this is the t square into z of x y. It means that z is homogeneous function in terms of the x y of degree 2. Okay, z is homogeneous function in x and y with degree 2. Then by the Euler theorem we get x del z upon del x plus y del z upon del y equal to 2z. Now putting the value of the z, which is the del upon del x tan u, then y del upon del u tan u, the 2 tan u. Okay, now what is the differential of the tan u? Sec square u, that means sec square u x del 2 u y del x is del x, and y sec square u del u y upon del y equal to 2 tan u. Now divided the sec square u here, then we get x del u upon del x plus y del u upon del y equal to 2 sin u upon of cos u, and the cos to cancel the cos u, then 2 sin u cos u there sin 2u. Now say this equation number 2. Suppose this sin 2u is called the g of u, because we need the solution in terms of the u. That means g of u equal to sin 2u, that means g dash of u equal to 2 cos u, and we know that by the second order Euler theorem we have x square del 2u by del x square plus 2xy del 2u by del x del y plus y square del 2u by del y square equal to g of u g dash of u minus 1. Now what is the value of the g of u? It is the sin 2u, and what is the g dash of u equal to this much. Now putting both the values, okay, or sin 2u into 2 cos 2u minus of 1, again multiply the sin 2u in the each term, that means 2 sin 2u cos 2u minus sin 2u. Now this is the sin 4u, because we know that the sin 2a equal to 2 sin a cos a. Now this is sin 4u. Now again apply the formula of the sin c minus of sin d, which is the 2 cos c plus d by 2, or sin c minus d by of 2, like of this much. Now here c is the 4u and d is the 2u, that means 4u plus 2u divided by 2, which is equal to 3u, while 4u minus 2u divided by 2, that means the u. This is your required solution. Now we discuss about the one more question for your practice. The question is, if u equal to log base e x to the power 4 y to the power 4 upon of x plus y, then prove that x del u by del x plus y del u by del y equal to 3. Again similarly log shifting the value of the log in terms of u, that means e to the power u equal to x to the power 4 y to the power 4 upon of x plus y. Again taking e to the power u equal to of z, then we get z equal to x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 upon of x plus y. Again applying the t test, that means t to the power 4 is common and t is common, that means the t to the power total is common, that means t cube x to the power 4 y to the power 4 upon of x plus y, that means t cube z of x y, that means z is homogeneous function in x or y of degree 3. Okay, then by the Euler theorem, x del z upon del x plus y del z upon del y equal to 3z, which is equal to x del upon del x 3 to the power u and so much. Similarly e to the power u differentiate with respect to of x, then we can common the value of e to the power u, x del u by del x plus y del u by del y equal to 3u. Now this value is cancelled, therefore this is a required solution. Dear student, we have given some more question for your practice. You can solve this question of if you have any doubt, you can ask any doubt in the lecture comment box, so your query can be solved within a time. Thank you so much.